Rule 3. Yield when turning left. In this situation, the blue car is approaching the intersection from the right, and the red car is coming from the left. The blue car reaches the intersection first and intends to turn left. The red car, however, is going straight through the intersection. According to official driving rules, when you are turning left at an uncontrolled intersection, you must always yield to oncoming vehicles that are driving straight or turning right, even if you arrive first. This rule is designed to prevent collisions because vehicles moving straight ahead or turning right have priority over vehicles crossing their path. In this example, the red car has the right of way and should move straight through the intersection first. The blue car must wait until the red car has completely cleared the intersection before making its left turn. Rule 4. When both vehicles are turning left. Now let's look at rule number 4, which covers a very specific scenario. Here, the blue car and the red car are approaching the intersection from opposite directions. Both vehicles have their left turn signals on, showing they intend to turn left. Official driving guidelines state, when two oncoming vehicles are both turning left at an uncontrolled intersection, neither driver has to yield. In this case, the blue car turns left into its correct lane, while the red car turns left into its respective lane. Since both cars turn away from each other, their paths never cross, and no yielding is necessary. Final recap: the 2 essential right-of-way rules. Yield. When turning left. If you intend to turn left, you must yield to oncoming vehicles going straight or turning right, even if you arrive first. Both turning left. If both vehicles are turning left, they can turn simultaneously by passing in front of each other, provided both stay within their lanes.